Bonjour à tous, hello everyone, and welcome to Apprenons Ensemble. French for beginners, vocabulary, domestic pets. Domestic pets. Les animaux domestiques. Vocabulary. Vocabulaire. Un lézard. So we should not pronounce the D. One more time. Un lézard. Un lézard. Une tortue. So don't pronounce the E. Une tortue. One more time. Une tortue. Un cheval. Un cheval. Un cheval. Une souris. Don't pronounce the S. Une souris. Une souris. Un lapin. Un lapin. Un lapin. Un perroquet. Okay, here the it at the end you'll pronounce it E. Okay, and when you have E followed by the same consonant twice, the E and the first consonant you are going to pronounce E like this ET. One more time. Un perroquet. Okay, then QU also you should not read like Q, you should read like K. One more time. Un perroquet. One last time. Un perroquet. Une perruche. Une perruche. Okay, so same logic like the previous one. Let's go a little bit fast. Une perruche. Une perruche. Un hamster. So here don't pronounce the H. Un hamster. Again, un hamster. One last time. Un hamster. Un pigeon. Okay, so this G-E will create the sound J. So don't say pigeon, no. Un pigeon. Okay? One more time. Un pigeon. One last time. Un pigeon. Un cochon d'Inde. So here I'm pronouncing the D but not the E. So I don't say dinde. One more time. Un cochon d'Inde. Un cochon d'Inde. Okay? One last time. Un cochon d'Inde. Un poisson rouge. Un poisson rouge. Un poisson rouge. One more time. Un poisson rouge. Un furet. Un furet. Un furet. One last time. Un furet. Un chien. Un chien. Un chien. Un chat. Don't pronounce the T. Un chat. Un chat. Okay? So now we have an exercise. So here, what is the goal of this exercise? You'll get 10 seconds to find the name and the correct spelling of the pet. Okay? Are you ready? So let me repeat again. So you'll have the picture of the pet and you have 10 seconds to find the name as well as the correct spelling of the name of the pet. Okay? So let's start. Okay? So here you have 10 seconds to find the name of this pet. 10 seconds, starting now. Okay, so this animal is called un lézard. So don't pronounce the D. Un lézard. Next one. So 10 seconds, starting now. Okay, so une tortue. Don't pronounce the I. Une tortue. Une tortue. Une tortue. Okay. You have 10 seconds for this animal. 10 seconds starting now. Okay, so un cheval, un cheval, un cheval. One more time, un cheval. Next one. So 10 seconds, starting now. Okay. Une souris. So don't pronounce the S. Une souris. Une souris. One last time. Une souris. Next one. 10 seconds, starting now. Ok. Un lapin. Un lapin. Un lapin. One more time. Un lapin. Next animal. 10 seconds, starting now. Ok. So, un perroquet. Un perroquet. One more time. Un perroquet. One last time. Un perroquet. Next animal. 10 seconds, starting now. Ok. Une perruche. Une perruche. One last time. Une perruche. Next animal. 10 seconds, starting now. Ok. Un hamster. Don't pronounce the H. Un hamster. Un hamster. Un hamster. One last time. Un hamster. Next animal. 10 seconds, starting now. Okay? Un pigeon. So don't say pigeon. No. This GE will make the sound J. So un pigeon. One more time. Un pigeon. One last time. Un pigeon. Next one. So 10 seconds starting now. Okay? Un cochon d'Inde. Don't pronounce the E. Un cochon d'Inde. Repeat. Un cochon d'Inde. One last time. Un cochon d'Inde. Very good. Next animal. 10 seconds starting now. Okay? Un poisson rouge. Un poisson rouge. Un poisson rouge. One last time. Un poisson rouge. Next animal. 10 seconds starting now. Okay? Un furet. Un furet. One last time. Un furet. Next animal. 10 seconds starting now. Okay? Un chien. Un chien. One last time, repeat again. Un chien. 10 seconds starting now. Okay? Un chat. Don't pronounce the T. Un chat. One more time. Un chat. One last time. Un chat. So this is it for today's video. Please, if you do like the content of our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button not to miss our future upload. So, merci beaucoup et bon apprentissage. Au revoir.